You can hear a lot of drilling noises because construction is going on. And in my first video also I was saying the same thing, that there is construction going on, and today also there is construction going on. ये सालों साल का है. I mean ये कभी रुकता ही नहीं है. This is that amazing thing. Love it. Okay. Hi guys, namaste, welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, so today I have with me something which is very important and a must during this time. And these are a set of 4 face masks from the brand Van Essen. One is out because this has been washed yesterday. You can wash these masks. I'll tell you the detail of this mask aram se, but this one is out because this was washed yesterday. It's a little wet. Set of 4 masks. This retails for 500 rupees, 499, but there's always a discount going on Amazon. I bought it from Amazon for around 371, so I thought this was good. Okay, so this comes in like this, in a very nice ziplock, and yeah, so these are the 4 masks. So 2 are of the same color, blue, and one is light blue and one is white. So mine is the light blue one. Yeah. This does not claim to filter coronavirus, but this does say that antibacterial, anti-pollution and anti-dust. Apart from the coronavirus, we also have to keep ourselves safe from pollution and dust, and this mask, this filters dust, bacteria and pollution. That's what this says. Okay, this is breathable, lightweight, soft, reusable, washable, antibacterial finish, and this has BFE 95%. BFE is bacterial filtration efficiency, and that is 95%. Okay, so this is the mask. This is the comfort. The material is very comfortable, and though I have heard and I have read that the blue one, the surgical masks, they are the best ones because they filter out virus, bacteria and everything, but I feel that mask is a little loose on my face and I don't feel that protected by using the surgical masks, the light blue one, but I think that is the most efficient one for sure. Okay, so this is the mask and this is how it looks like, and this can be adjusted, right? And this has this small adjustable contouring to fit properly on your nose like this. And yeah, so this is how the mask looks like. I must say that this is very comfortable and the inner fabric is very comfortable, so you won't feel something pinching or piercing your face. Outer layer has cotton woven fabric. This layer, this is cotton knit fabric, and this is antibacterial. This filters the bacteria. And there is a middle layer which is a melt blown fabric, and that also prevents bacteria. And the brand is mentioned over here. Masks are also branded now. Come on. Okay, so yes, so this is how it is. I've never worn a mask after applying makeup because I just don't want to spoil this with makeup, but I'll show it to you that how you how this looks on face, because that's very important. Okay, so this fits perfectly and you can breathe. I'll have to wash it, I guess. Okay, so yes, okay, so this is how this fits, and this looks quite good and it's very comfortable. You have to wear it to believe it. This is very comfortable, and I'll put the link in the description box if you in case you want to purchase it. It will be easier for you to find it. And yeah, I think you should invest in this because, and also this claims and this can be washed 30 times, so that's a lot. So the necessity, so you should invest in this. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.